Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to complete the sample collection quest in Heartopia. So in this Call of Wheels event week 4, you need to prepare at least 30% of the samples for the collections box in front of your home. So you just collect some items in this collections box. This one, just tap on it. Just tap on the collections box in front of your home, and then in here you just need to collect any items that asks there are a bird, and then events call of whales fish, and then call of whales insect, and then star food, and call of whales food, and intact sea cell. So just submit the items, these all items, and then you can just submit it one by one like this until the all items are complete. For example, like this. And then next just tap on submit, and then just complete all another items like this. And after that, after you complete at least 30%, your quest will be complete like this. You will see it. And then in here you can collect any rewards and the collector challenge. This one. And then next you can just full the collections box until it reaches 100%. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.